Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best camera tripod mounts that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the STSEETOP Universal Camera Bracket. The tripod mount which we are speaking about now is the Z-type. The aluminum alloy construction means that it can stand the test of time. It is suitable for cameras, smartphones, and other gadgets. The load-bearing capacity is 6.6 pounds. Also, since it is ideal for any camera tripod, you can be sure that installing it is quite easy. You can move it in any direction, which means that capturing photos from any angle is possible. The high weight handling capacity of 6.6 pounds makes it a perfect choice. Moving on at number 4, we have the Neewer heavy-duty camera tripod ball head. The USP of this mounting device is that it can handle up to 17.6 pounds. That is why it is one of the sturdiest options which you can buy. With the help of 360 movements, it is easy to adjust the angle of the camera. You can use the 3 knobs for adjustment. Also, it consists of a locking knob as well, which means that the camera or the gadget will remain in place when shooting photos or videos. There is a handle on offer which is non-skid. The ability to adjust position through 3 different knobs makes it a winner. At number 3, we have the bracket phone tripod mount adapter. The best thing about this camera tripod mount is that it is suitable for smartphones as well. It can work with camcorders, iPhone and a variety of other phone options. That is why it is one of the best choices which you can make when you're looking for one. With the help of 360 movement, you can get the direction which you want. Additionally, it is pretty lightweight, which means that mounting it on top of the tripod will not be a problem. The portability of this mount ensures that you can take it around with you. If you're looking for the mount which is suitable for smartphones, digital cameras, and camcorders, this one fits the requirements perfectly. At number 2, we have the AKOAK 1/4 Swivel Mini Ball Head Mount. With the help of swiveling mini ball head, this mount can help you move your camera in any direction. It is suitable for DSLR, camcorder as well as other types of cameras which you might have. The aluminum alloy and metal construction mean that durability is not a problem at all. It can handle heavy load and can move the camera swiftly and smoothly. You can use it on tripod, monopod, light stand and a variety of other fixtures. With the help of screw adapters on offer, mounting it on any tripod is quite easy. The versatility is the reason why you should go with this camera tripod mount. And finally at number 1, we have the Peak Design Capture POV Action Camera Mount. The option on our list is again a camera mount which is suitable for GoPro and action cameras. You can use it with point and shoot cameras for capturing the videos. With the help of pan and tilt feature, getting the right angle is quite easy. You can even attach it to any belt or strap. It means that the applications of this mount are virtually endless. If you're looking to capture some action rather than ordinary photographs, this is the one which you should buy. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.